This is FU. Maybe I need some fabric in my life. Look at the damage on that. Wow. If I find a bug, I'll bring it to you, okay? FU. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am mid-journey as I look for something to add to the channel. This is Copart, and I'm glad you are here for the ride. I'm sorry if my Coke is making a lot of sound. That's okay. I'm having a good day out here. They have a lot of new inventory, and with all of the flooded vehicles coming to these auction sites right now, it's a perfect time to tell you that you need to come out here and check out these cars for yourself, because a lot of times the seller will only say that its loss type is unknown, so it's listed as that when in fact it can be a flood car, and I found a couple of those. So with that being said, let's see if we can find some good ones. I don't know, what do you think about this? I think this is gorgeous. This little, Infiniti S300T. Nice. Let's see if she's gonna be cooperative and do something for us. This is from a scorned lover, I believe. This is an Infiniti Q60s 3.0T, and I should probably blur out some of the words. This is FU. We have that written everywhere. It is scratched. Every panel has been keyed. Scratch, 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 scratch. Looks like an M something here. We have another FU right here. This is a gorgeous car though. It is such a beautiful car. I do like the wheels. We have a lot of flats though. I'm sure they've flattened every tire. Any words over here? No, just lots of scratches. The only panel that didn't get scratched, I think, is the top one. Wow. Okay, well, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, these are huge doors. There's a smoker's smell. That's okay. This is really, really pretty. That's cool. I like that carbon fiber with the purple touch in there. That's really gorgeous. Okay, let's go on the other side and see what we got. Well, take a look at the engine. Hopefully she's gonna start for us. I mean, the only damage looks to be superficial. So, FU, we're gonna get you started. You're gonna get back to life. You really are. Oh, yeah, those are giant doors. It is, I don't wanna get the interior muddy or anything like that. Oh, whoever was driving this car was sitting way back, and they did like to smoke, okay? Whoa, okay. Loss type is unknown. Texas quick car. Maintenance services right here. 101,000 miles, 5/16 of 24. So it was serviced, not at the dealer or anything like that. This is cool though. We have a warning lamp, that's okay. We have a push start button. Oh. She did not. Oh, she is like super dead. Yeah, okay. She doesn't want to start. Yeah, it's getting worse. So there could be something else wrong. Oh, look how cool this is though. This is really pretty. It's a nice looking instrument cluster. Yep, she don't want to do anything for us. So with that, this was a nice car back in its time, but not so anymore. I do, like I said, like the carbon fiber look right here. This is very nice, but we're going to move on and try to find something that wants to start for us, and something that does not involve a scorned lover. Ooh, this is coming off right there. All right, thank you, Infiniti, but we're moving on. Oh, by the way, did I tell you? Yeah, it's a 2017 Infiniti. So we're gonna move from that to a little Mercedes that I saw right over here and just kind of check her out. Look at this. She's been through it. Wow. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Look at that. Just peeled right off. Okay, so fender, bumper, headlight, center grille, Probably a hood. Yes, a hood. Probably this fender. Both side mirrors. What did you do? And look at the back. Okay, well, rear bumper and your trunk. She just got scrunched from everywhere. Wow, what year is this one? Ow, and there's that big old rock. I've been stepping on that. 2016 Mercedes C300 4MATIC. So it's the four-wheel drive, which is nice. You have the side curtain airbag that has gone off. They just cut it out of the way for us. The key is on the floor. So let's see if she's gonna do something. Ooh, this is a little driver here. Here we go. Come on, okay. Thank you. I do love the way they do their seats. I think that is so nice, even in the C-Class. Okay, something very nautical to me. I think this is cool. Is that just dirt? Yeah, hopefully so. You got some cup holders right here, cigarette lighter. This is cool. She seems to be running really, really well. Does she go into gear? There's rear. It didn't hurt the rear camera. And she goes into drive. Active brake assist functions limited. See operator's manual. Let's put her in park. Blind spot assist is inoperative. Is that all? Give me some mileage. Oh, excuse me. Here's a mileage, 825 of 22. It was 24,000 miles. Left side curtain, right side curtain. The battery. She's worried about the battery. Front left malfunction. I just want to see the mileage on here. I don't see the mileage when you go into... Nope. Doesn't show the mileage. Where would the mileage be? I can't find it. I waste too much time pushing all these buttons right here. Okay, well, she's in park. Windows seem to be working. Okay. Let's go to the radio. 93.9 FM. Volume. Doesn't seem to be a station right there. That's all right. Navigation. Please wait. She's looking for the navigation. Maybe she doesn't have it. Okay, anyway, let's go and look under the hood. We can also look in the trunk. Push that. There you go. Every Mercedes-Benz since, I don't know, the 70s has had, well, almost everyone has had that red hood pull. Let's check the trunk first. I'm surprised it opened. I really am. There's your floor mats and part of your mirror, one of your side mirrors right there. Okay, so, ooh, maybe this didn't get damaged. Maybe it's just the top. Well, it did get damaged right down through here. So that's a thing. It does close, so that's good. Let's take a look at the engine. Not everybody likes these engines. They're not the smoothest or the quietest. There we go. There you go. This is a dirty engine. Wow. Okay. This is a mess here. Someone never really took care of this car. Look at that. It's filthy. That means your filters they won't have been replaced. Cabin filter probably hasn't been replaced. Hopefully the oil has been changed since, 2022. This is So I think it's a cool looking car. I like the looks, but this particular one right here, Yeah, this is gonna require lots of body parts, and it's gonna be kind of expensive. I don't see these in the junkyard, so you're gonna have to source them from salvage yards that aren't pull-apart yards, and they're gonna charge you a little bit, if not a lot more, than the pull-apart places. So, with that being said, you run, you drive, thank you very much. You think it's minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it's a little warmer than that. That's all right though. So let's turn this off. The key isn't even attached, so we will attach the key if it goes through this hole, and we'll move on and find one more car. Well, hidden away amongst all these lesser cars, I found my ultimate truck. This is a Toyota Tundra in the right color, the right specs, everything else. I love it, I love it. I don't love the damage over there. I haven't even seen what lies on this side yet, okay? This is from Louisiana, 2021 Toyota Tundra. You got the big V8 right here, 5.7 liter. You got the very cool wheels, all-terrain plus tires with lots of tread. You got a big tow hitch. You get, well, you get a cracked wheel and a beat up tire. Look at the damage on that. Wow, okay. So now we're getting to the damage. Is it just, oh, well, maybe it's not that bad. It's actually sitting on a block of wood. And they've taken off the fender for us so we can see if there's any damage in here. Look closely. They've marked some right there. They saved these. Well, that's nice. Thank you very much. The wheel maybe got pushed back a little bit right there. I don't know about the control arm. That could be an issue. That looks kind of askew right there. On the stabilizer bar, the linkage. Yeah. And then here, this is all beat up. Is this latched? Yeah, it's latched, so that's good. The hood doesn't seem to be damaged though, which is fine. And the grill, stuff like that I wouldn't even worry about. Look at the spider web and the occupant right there just waiting for a bug. If I find a bug, I'll bring it to you, okay? This is a good looking truck. Wow, okay, well, it's got 4 doors. We'll look in the back very, very quickly. It's got the cloth interior. That's kind of what I want. I haven't had cloth interior in such a long time. Everything's been leather or fake leather. Maybe I'm due for some fabric. Maybe I need some fabric in my life. You got a step right here and you have power. Okay, now I'm not gonna turn it at all. We're gonna leave it right there. Let's just see what happens. Maybe this is such, here we go. Not ready to drive. Yeah, no crap. Okay, so the engine does run. That's good. 74,000 miles, can you see right there? Engine sounds good. So the only problem we have, pre-collision system malfunction. Visit your dealer. Okay. I like the dash. This is nice. I like this. I do. It's not a Ford, it's not a Chevy, it's not a, GMC, a Ram. It's something different and I like it. I don't like that right there. Nice little windshield. Ka-ching. This is dusty. The color is cool. The interior is cool. The air conditioning is super cool. This time I'm in it for love. Oh, the bridge. Sirius XM, channel 27. Good music. Good stuff. All right, well, man, I love this. And once again, the seat position, the driving position is like this. Nice. Very, very nice. Everything's going to work in here. It's just the suspension and the fender that and the bumper that I'm worried about. Fender be easy to source, not that expensive. The color to match, I don't know how difficult it is going to be to. It's a newer paint. It's a 2021, so they should be able to match it. I don't know, but this is nice. I'm afraid to leave it on anymore. So we know it starts. That's absolutely fine. What a cool, cool, cool truck. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video, folks. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your attendance as I do these walk-around videos. Thanks to Copart, and thanks to Copart for letting me do these walk-around videos for the people that watch. I certainly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go subscribe. I would certainly appreciate that. And we are back with another video very, very soon, okay? Hug those kids if you got them, and we'll see ya. Bye-bye.